Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by logging into Webassign and opening the specific problem with the graphing widget. Make sure your browser allows pop-ups and that the graphing tool loads. This prevents lost work. Once the widget appears, review the question for required function forms, domain limits, and numeric parameters. Then choose whether you will input an equation, plot points, or draw. Begin by selecting the correct mode in the tool so your first inputs match the problem expectations. Next, input your function precisely using the tool's expected syntax. For example, use caret for exponents and explicit multiplication when needed. Once the equation is entered, adjust the x and y ranges and the grid spacing so critical features, zeros, asymptotes, peaks, are visible. Use zoom and pan to focus on areas of interest. Add points or segments with the point and line tools, and use trace or measurement options to capture exact coordinates or slopes that you will report in your answer. Finally, confirm that the graph matches the problem and that any required values are entered into Webassign's answer fields. If you need, export a screenshot for your records. Double-check intercepts, evaluated points, and any numeric responses against the plotted graph before you submit. If something goes wrong, reload the graphing widget, clear your browser cache, or re-enter the equation in small parts to find the issue. If persistent, try a different supported browser and repeat the steps to resolve the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.